Hi friends, another reason to subscribe to Time to Heal is I'm going to be doing another tutorial and teaching you live how to make a magnesium oil spray. 100% natural, 100% organic. Magnesium is so beneficial to our body, and it helps fight UV rays. So it helps your skin in the sun. Helps you with sleep, anxiety, restless leg syndrome. But friends, go ahead and subscribe to timetoheal.net to get the details on when, where it's going to be. August 13th at 2 o'clock. No charge. This is free. And you can actually learn how to make your own magnesium oil spray. All the ingredients are listed in the details on timetoheal.net. And I hope to see you there. Meeting numbers there, meeting passwords there. I sure hope that you join. You have yourself a wonderful day. Stay healthy, friends.